All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at Mara. Okay, Mara, lovely Mara, as Zip Trader, Charlie from Zip Trader would say. If you guys are in the Discord, I already charted up this one, and essentially gave you guys the inverse head and shoulders pattern we had. Okay, we had a nice head here, we had a left shoulder, we had a right shoulder, and boom, we freaking rallied very, very hard. And this price level here, 27.55, was the price target to hit for this inverse head and shoulders. And we opened up there, and we dropped a little bit, but we're still recovering, and we're actually facing this resistance level right now. Okay, so if you would have been in the Discord, you guys would have already known, that we're already looking at this one for the nice inverse head and shoulders play. Um, Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit more, just so you can see some of the things that I've got going on here on the chart. All right, we have some slight bullish divergence going on with Mara. All right, and we'll zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see that again. But if you notice here, we have a high here, and we have a lower high here, and we have a lower high here. All right, so this is our trend line we need to break through. But if you look here on the RSI, all right, and I'll take my face out the way a little bit. We are making higher highs on the RSI. Okay, so this is a little bit of some slight hidden bullish divergence going on with Mara. So it'd be really nice to see if we can continue this uptrend on the RSI and, continue making higher highs on the RSI. That's what we are going to be looking for. And, we're also going to be looking for a breakout above this 27.55 level. All right. Now let's go ahead and zoom out and go to the daily chart. And there's a few things I want to show you guys on the daily chart as well. Okay. So, the daily chart also had some bullish divergence. We already had the bullish divergence pop, folks. Okay. So, here was our initial, lower lows that we're making. And on the RSI, we're making higher lows. And if you noticed, here is where that trend line stops up top. That was our bottom for the higher lows. And then we bounced very nicely on the RSI. And, the price of the stock also bounced very nicely. Okay. We had a nice 40% run up on Mara. And the bullish divergence goes even farther back. Okay, it goes back to here as well. Again, we're making lower highs. Okay, 3 or 4 lower highs, but the RSI is making higher highs. All right, so then that's we have two signs of some bullish divergence on the daily chart. And we had a little bit of some bullish divergence as well on the 1 hour chart that I showed you guys earlier. So that's kind of just my take on Mara. This 27.55 level is going to be really key. All right, because not only is it a very strong resistance level, but we are also facing the resistance from this trend line. Okay, so if we can hold 27.55 and reclaim that as a support level instead of a resistance level, then we have the potential to head up a higher, up to right around these highs here of 31.44. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. This one was a viewer request. So if you guys have any viewer requests, stocks you want me to chart up, let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll be happy to chart it up for you guys.